Okay, here we go. 43,396 miles exactly. Finally getting the new tires on the truck. 2020 Explorer, you already know by now. So let me show you what they look like after 43,000 miles. Now it says that it'll go to 70, but I don't really see where 70 comes from. These got rotated multiple times, and yeah, that's how they look. Plugged them up a couple times as well, as you can see. Let's do. Here's the other side. Yeah, basically down to the wire. There's not much there. A little bit there. What's up? Here's the other rear tire. Yep. So somewhere I read that the Hankook Kinergy was like 70,000 miles. Here's the tire size. 70,000 miles. No, not even close. It's only 43. And 43, so just imagine how long I've been driving on these at 43. Okay. Now, is it fun in the rain? No. It gets really squiggly in the rain. A little creepy, a little scary. As long as you keep the speed down, you'll be fine. So this is the original tires. First time changing them. I even have the original brakes still. Haven't even changed the brakes yet. But we're changing the tires. Let you see the other side. Already seen this. Yeah, patched up a couple times, plugged up. It's got slits everywhere. And other side. So Hankook, Kinergy's, yeah, I don't know what the K means for that energy, but they do not last at all. This is being rotated. This is just driving in Florida. No, I don't even know what to call it that I didn't do or did do. But that's a very low tire life. There's the tire after it's been taken off. That's how much tire is left at 43,000 miles. What a beauty. One down, 3 to go. So I made the mistake of putting that fix a flat junk. Look at that. What? So the sensor kept tripping. It kept telling me that it was faulty, whatever, but it'll reset itself. Here's the other front tire. It's 43,000 miles. Look like slicks. Good 18-wheeler tires. And the fix flat stuff, yeah, it's a terrible idea. Alright, here's the third tire. Hankook Kinergy, whatever. This one was in the rear. You can see the front, rear. They're pretty much evenly worn down. And yeah, that's 43,000 miles. And here's the last one. You can see it's less of that fix a goo, whatever junk. And here's Hankook Kinergy's. Now I bet you're wondering why I'm gonna put the same tires right back on. Just one thing I just noticed. these things ran down to the ground smoothly. Brand new shoes. There's the mileage. There's a new tire pressure. There's the mileage. Yeah, so that's exactly how long they lasted. Wore them down to the ground. Now let me get to the part of why I put the same tires back on. Now I just left the parking lot. Steering wheel is like butter again, still. Okay, now we're getting on the main road. We're gonna take the highway home. This is my first U-turn. Lovely. So we're cruising at 45 miles an hour. What do you hear? Nothing. Not a thing. Getting on I-95 right now. And what do you hear again? Nothing. We're at 66 miles an hour. We're gonna get to a bit more speed than that, you know, just to go with the flow. Then we're gonna take it up. See, 70. 80's good. See, 80's like basically everybody does 80. This is Florida, South Florida. Okay, if you're not from South Florida, good luck with the weather up there. I hear it's cold. Over here it's 79 degrees, a little chilly though. So 80 miles an hour. What do you hear? Nothing. It's exactly why I got the same factory OEM tires that were put on this car. The Kinergy, the Hankook Kinergy GTs, even though they only lasted me 43,000 miles and some change, they don't make any noise. There's no road noise. You hear a little bit of sound from the wind or whatever, but not road noise. And it's not tire noise. So that's why. More silence. See, it's nothing but silence. That's the best part about this car. So this is the 2020 Ford Explorer. Got the OEM tires. Now, getting the OEM tires back on this, guess what? I got them at Sam's. Had a great deal. I'll show you guys in a minute what it costed me. See, nice and smooth. This car always ran good, always runs good. Now it's like brand new. All it needs is to get washed. That's it. And it's a brand new car again. Got the brand new tires. Exterior, interior, it's all still pretty much spotless. And so the tires lasted me. I purchased the car in April of 2020. It was an early birthday present. And we're in what is it? November right now, 2021. So that's how long, that's how many months it lasted. Then you see how many miles it lasted. And you know what? It's well worth the same tire. So far, right, the car, as far as braking, I've never had a problem with the braking. As far as the tires skidding on me in the rain, these tires held up very good. Even though you saw that they were completely bald, like just straight up bald, they look like slicks. Now those tires, even in the rain, they still held it down. Now the life wasn't all that great. Yeah, I get it. I wasn't happy with that part either. But the fact that even during the rain, it still stayed on the road. I didn't lose my car. I didn't lose control. I didn't die. I'm still alive. I made it. Survivor. Okay, so I had to run them down as much as I could. But 43,000 miles, what you saw there on the tires, that was already pushing the limit. I'm sure most of you wouldn't have waited that long. And I had the guy check my brakes. Guess what? The brake pads still got plenty of life. How much does that mean, or what the guy meant when he said they got plenty of life? I have no clue. But I'll eventually find out. That'll be another video. Alright, I'm about to get off the highway. It was a great smooth ride. Loved it. I always do. Now I do have a question about the PSI here. So normally I check the side of the door. I'll normally go with that. I'm gonna go to a gas station, add a little bit more air. I believe it's 41. I'll double check it either way. And it should be even smoother. Or who knows? Either way, it's been a smooth ride. Car eats up the tires evenly. I had no alignment issues whatsoever throughout this whole time, throughout all 43,000 miles. So lovely. Well driven miles. Yep, thank you, Ford. On to the other things about this car.